Do you love ashy cool brunettes? Well, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Hi, my name is Christy. I'm one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm bringing you a review of Cambridge and the color Coolest Ash Brown. This is part of the City Collection with Belle Tress. And following suit with the Belle Tress City Collection, we're gonna see low density, no permatease in this piece. We're gonna see an extended lace front on Cambridge with a wide center monofilament part. So you'll be able to see that when I show you inside the cap, so stay tuned. And this color is really gorgeous. I'm gonna do a spin and also an outside look to show you the color and give you that color description. But so this Coolest Ash Brown, this is the first time I've had this color. And I'm actually pleasantly surprised and love this color. I was expecting like an all over blend, ashy brunette, but I love how they placed it almost. They took that ashy color and almost made it into like highlights. I try to use that relatively careful. I want to use that highlight word carefully because it's not a highlighted brunette, but the way that dimension is with that cooler color really gives that look. It's really pretty. I love this color. Typically with ashy brunettes, it's more of an overall blend, and they don't exactly look that great on me. I love it with this definition of that cool color coming through to make this an ashy brunette. Cambridge has some great layers that is going to allow for some styling capabilities, half updos, letting that kind of hang there in the front on both sides. But you can also get this up. Now, I have a video on the channel here at Wig Studio One on styling wigs, long wigs and tips. So go check that out. But you can clearly see you can get this style up in a ponytail or an updo, or put it up and really kind of have fun with the layering on this piece. So really great style. This is heat-friendly fiber following suit with Belle Tress, so you can use heat. We recommend a 260-degree temperature, and you will want to use heat in maintaining these fibers. And as always, these heat-friendly fibers, always remember the last applied heat to the fiber. Let's go ahead and do a spin. We'll take a look at this outside. I'll give you guys some measurements and we'll take a look at the cap.
Coolest Ash Blonde is an 814. It's unrooted combination of light ash brown, cool medium brown with a hint of dark blonde subtle highlights. Now let's take a look at this cap construction. It's going to have an extended lace front with a center monofilament part, velvet felt extended nape with Velcro adjusters.
In Coolest Ash Brown. Make sure to connect with us. Down below is a link to my YouTube channel. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok under Wiggin' with Christy. But there's links to all of our other reviewers and links of how you can connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, and our private Facebook group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We hope you have a great day. Bye.